Subscribe to the Scitech Explorer English channel and hit the bell icon to get latest science and technology updates.
Hello everyone, my name is Shubham and welcome to my English channel of Scitech Explorer. In today's video, I am doing unboxing of Jio 4G Wi-Fi router. So let's start the video. On top side of the box, we get branding of Jio. On its back side, we get printed value of rupees 2329 rupees. I have brought this device from Flipkart at around 800 rupees, and on its left side, we will get features of this device such as it is a hotspot device and you can connect maximum up to 31 devices to it. It has 2300 mAh battery. It supports micro SD card up to 32 GB. It enables you to do HD video and voice calls. With the help of Wi-Fi, you can share your data of your memory card. Those are all the features of this device. Now we are going to open the box. After opening the box, we get the router. Along with it, we have some paperwork such as its instruction manual, warranty card showing 1 year warranty for device and 6-month warranty for its accessories. Along with this, we get an instruction card of Jio 4G voice app, with the help of which we can make HD video and voice calls. Next, we have charging adapter of 5V and 1 mA. After that, we get a 2300 mAh battery. At last, we get USB cable of 1 meter length. You can use it either for charging or for USB Ethernet connection. That was all in the box. Now we are moving towards the main device. As you can see, it has glossy finish and
It has a charging port on its right side and a WPS button on its left side.
now let's open the device. On this side, we have some information about its IMEI number with its default SSID and password. Along with it, there is a host name with the help of which we can customize our device through browser. Next, we have a micro SD card slot and a nano SIM slot in which you only can insert a Jio SIM. Now I am going to insert my Jio SIM in it. And boot up the device. While booting up the device, its indicator LED starts glowing up. One of those shows signal strength, data, Wi-Fi, WPS connectivity and battery indication. Wi-Fi indicator LED continues blinking unless and until some device is connected to the hotspot. Now I will connect the router with my laptop. Now we have to go to the Wi-Fi option. Here we can see network of Jio-fi. Now we are going to connect to hotspot by typing the default password. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is connected. Now we will configure our Wi-Fi. Now we have to open any browser and type hostname and press enter. Here we have this type of interface. Here we have home page. We have to do a login by typing its default username and password. After you have login, we can see this type of interface. I will explain its interface in details. In this section, you will get hostname or DNS address. In status section, you will get information related battery, signal strength, internet speed, etc. In LTE section, you will get information related device such as bandwidth, frequency and signal strength. In LAN info, you will get SSID MAC address and IP address of the device. And at bottom section, you will get number of connected device to the hotspot. In WAN info, you will get total uploaded and downloaded information. In device details, you will get its IMEI number and battery level percentage. In system performance, there is an information about uploading and downloading data rate. Now we will go to the setting option. In LTE option, you can set PIN of the SIM card. In network, you will get hostname and IP address of the device. You will see all these options in Wi-Fi. Here you can change name or SSID of the device. Here you can set different 802.11 standards which have different Wi-Fi bandwidths which will give you different internet data rates. As per my suggestion, you should choose last option. By changing TS power, you can set the range of the Wi-Fi. In wireless encryption type, you need to choose AES plus TKIP option. In security key, you will get your device default password. Using Wi-Fi module option, you can enable or disable your Wi-Fi. Now we will change the SSID and password of the Wi-Fi. After that, you should click on apply and your device will restart. Now you can see the name of our Wi-Fi has been changed to Scitech. Now we have to enter its new password. Now Wi-Fi has been connected.
In storage option, either you can store or access data using Wi-Fi or using data cable from memory card.
In user management, you can change your host name and password. Here I will enter username, Scitech and password from 1 to 9 digits. After that, you have to log in again with new hostname and password. In WPS section, you can set up your own WPS connection. In advanced option, you can set connection timeout. In this option, if any device is not connected to your hotspot after the set time, then it will automatically enter into a standby mode.
Now let's do some internet speed test.
Here are some internet speed test results. That's it in this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe, like and share this video with your friends.